Okay guys, welcome back. We have this equation 3 to the n plus 3 to the n is equal to 60, and we need to solve it for n. So we can see that on the left side we have 2 times 3 to the n, which we can get it by factoring 3n equals to 60, and from here if we divide each side by 2, we'll get 3 to the n is equal to 30. And since we have the n to the power, the first thing that comes to our mind is doing the logarithm of each side, and we will have the log of 3 to the n is equal to log of 30. And from the laws of the log, we know if we have the log of a to the power of m, power can go on the back of the log, so this will be equal to m times log of a. So same thing in here, we have n times log of 3, and since we have log of 3 on the left side, we know that 30 is equal to 3 times 10. From another law of the log, we know if we have the log of a times b, this will be equal to log of a plus log of. So on the left side of our equation, we have n times log of 3, and since we have a times b, this will be our a, this will be our b. We'll have log of 3 plus log of 10. And since the base of our logarithm is 10, this will be equal to 1, and we can divide both sides of our equation by log of 3, and if we do that, we'll get n is equal to 1 plus 1 over log of 3, which will be our answer. But just for the sake of practice, let's verify our answer. And what we had was 3 to the n plus 3 to the n is equal to 60, which we simplified by 3 to the n is equal to 30. So let's plug in our answer. So we'll have 3 to the power 1 plus 1 over log of 3 equals 30. And when we have a to the power of m plus n, this can be a to the m times a to the n. And we have, let's consider this our m and this our n, which means we can have 3 times 3 to the power 1 over log of 3. This will be equal to 30. So if you divide the both sides by 3, we'll have 3 to the 1 over log of 3 is equal to 10. And as we know, the 1 is the log of 10. So log of 10 divided by log of 3 is equal to 10. And another laws of the log, when we have log of a divided by log of b, this will be equal to log base b of a. So here we can use this line here, and we'll have 3 to the power of log base 3 of 10, and we have a to the log of b. This will be equal to b2. So if that's the case, what we have in here would be basically we have, so this format in here to which shows the left side is 10 and we have 10 on the right side, and that would verify our answer. Again, that was just a practice to go over other laws of the logarithm and to practice it better. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.